Hey guys, so I just kind of wanted to hop on here and show you guys this new breast tape that I'm using called Busties. If you're anything like me in the summertime, I hate wearing bras. I hate wearing sports bras, like anything extra that's going to add to making me feel sweaty because it's already hot enough. Like I don't want to put extra layers on. So Busties has actually sent me over their new breast tape kit, and we're going to kind of try it out and see how it is, like the before and then the after putting on the tape. In this breast kit, you're going to find their silicone nipple covers that are reusable, a little test strip to just kind of test your skin to make sure you're not allergic, like nothing is going to harm your skin, of course the breast tape, and some more silicone nipple pads, and then you'll get a cute little bag to put all your stuff in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to put on the breast tape and just kind of show you like the before and then the after. So I'll be right back. Y'all, two pieces of Busties breast tape is all I used. Like, what? Like, I feel like I have so much support. Like, I really don't know what else to say. Like, this kind of just speaks for itself. So just go get it and thank me later. The link's in my bio.